Hello dear student, we are studying general science and today's topic is question from dimension analysis. This is from class 11th. Find the dimensions of A, B, C, D, E in x equals to a plus bt plus ct square plus dt q by e plus t, where x equals to displacement and t equals to time. We have to find the value of A, B, C, D, E for a given equation, where x equals to displacement and t equals to time. So, equation given is x equals to a plus bt plus ct square plus dt q by e plus t. This equation is given. So, this equation can write in zero form x minus a minus bt minus ct square minus dt q by e plus t equals to 0. Now, according to principle of homogeneity says that if the dimensions of term are same or similar, we can equate the terms. So, according to principle of homogeneity already discussed in last video, you can see that. So, according to principle of homogeneity, dimensions of A equals to dimensions of X, because this term already added. So, this term added if dimensions are same. So, dimensions of A equals to dimensions of X. So, we have to find the value of A. Here, given x equals to displacement, so displacement dimension formula is L power 1. So, A equals to L. Then, the value of A will be L power 1, or you can say L. So, find the value of A. So, we find the value of A is L power 1. Now, value of B. So, value of B, similarly, we equate the terms dimensions of bt equals to dimensions of x. That term can write this dimensions of bt equals to dimensions of x, then dimensions of bt यानी कि b into t. So t is time, so its dimension capital T. So b into t equals to dimensions of x is L. Then value of b will be L by t equals to Lt power minus 1. So the value of b in dimensions form, the dimensions of b will be Lt power minus 1, which is find it. Next term is c, the value of c. So according to principle of homogeneity, again dimensions of ct square equals to dimensions of x. Then dimensions of ct square equals to dimensions of x. So the term t is time. So already found the dimension of t. Then c cross t square t power 2 equals to L. Then c equals to L by t power 2 equals to Lt power minus 2. So c's value is Lt power minus 2. Now two terms remains d and e, and the value of a, b, c already found. The terms d and e are remains. So in equation e plus t, you can see that e plus t are given. So here can apply the dimension, here can apply the principle of homogeneity, because these two terms are added, e plus t. So dimensions of e will be equal to dimensions of t. Then can write dimensions of E equals to dimensions of T or E equals to T. So the value of E equals to T power 1 or the value of E equals to T. Now for value of for dimensions of D. So dimensions of dtq by E plus T equals to dimensions of what term? Any term can write. Dimensions of x, dimensions of a, dimensions of bt, dimensions of ct square. So any term can write dimensions of. So we write the dimensions of x. So dimensions of dtq by E plus T equals to dimensions of x. Here d into t power 3 by the dimensions of E is t and plus t is given. So we will write one term, 1 times of dimensions, because both dimensions are same. So we can't add these dimensions E and T because both dimensions are same. So we can't add these dimensions of E and T. So here will be only T equals to dimensions of L x. So dimensions of x is L. Now D will be here TQ. D will be LT power. D will be L by T power 2 equals to LT power minus 2. Here already D equals to LT power minus 2. The value of D calculated LT power minus 2. So we found the all values A, B, C, D, E and E in the dimensions form. So this question is completed and today's topic over. So for more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.